Hello guys, 1 second please. Plants a jelly bean. Fluffy plants a jelly bean. Have some sunflower seeds, Fluffy, said Red. Fluffy dug into his ball. He started cracking the shells and eating the seeds. Yum! Thought Fluffy. Sunflower seeds stuck to Fluffy's face. They stuck to his ears. They stuck to his paws and to his fur. But he did not mind the mess. I love sunflower seeds, thought Fluffy. Emma picked Fluffy up. She put him in a basket and took him outside. We are having an egg hunt, she said. You can hunt for eggs with us. Yes, thought Fluffy. I'm a good hunter. Here, a yellow egg, said Red. He put it into his basket. Here's one with blue stripes, said Emma. She put her basket down and reached. Okay. She put her basket down and reached under a bush to get the egg. Time to go hunting. Fluffy thought he saw a bright green egg. He picked it up. That he put it into the basket. That's not an egg, Fluffy, said Emma. A bean, thought Fluffy. I love beans. Fluffy thought back to last spring. Miss Day's class had planted a garden. The kids planted beans, big beans. Plants grew from the beans. Lots of little green beans grew from the plants. Now spring had come again. Now Fluffy had a bright green bean. I will grow a bean plant, he thought. Fluffy ran over to the class garden. The soil had been turned over, but nothing had been planted yet. Fluffy dug a little hole. He dropped the bright green bean into the hole and covered with dirt. They're planted now beans, thought Fluffy. Fluffy planted a jelly bean, said Red. Fluffy, said Emma. That won't grow. Yes, it will, thought Fluffy. If a bean grow into a bean plant, I know my bean will grow. Fluffy, Jack, and the jelly bean stuck. It was almost after lunch. They opened all the windows. He reads the class a story. She's reading a class story. Fluffy closed his eyes and listened. Once upon a time, reading says they, a poor window needed money to buy food, so she sent her son, Fluffy Jack, to sell the cow. How much money did you get? Mother asked. When he came back, no money, said Fluffy Jack. I sold the cow for magic jelly beans. Magic jelly beans? He's saying magic jelly beans, which is over here. Magic jelly beans, cried his mother. Phew! He threw them out the window. He threw them out the window. Maybe they will grow, said Fluffy Jack. They won't grow, said his mother. That night, Fluffy Jack looked out the window. He saw a big green sock shoot out of the ground. It grew right where the magic jelly beans had landed. I knew they would grow, said Fluffy Jack. Fluffy Jack ran outside. He began to climb the jelly bean stalk. Up he went. At last, Fluffy Jack came to a land above the clouds. He saw a big castle. He walked up to the door and stood inside. Fluffy Jack saw a giant. He was holding little hen. Lay me a golden egg, said the giant. No way, said the hen, saying no way. The giant put the hen down. He put him down. The giant sniffed in the air. Thief! No. 3, 5, 4, Figgy. I smell the blood of a junior piggy, and I'm going to eat him. Up! Fluffy Jackie jumped into a flower pot and hide. He jumped into a flower pot and hide. Gonna hide somewhere around here. At last, the giant saw Fluffy Jack hopped out of the pot. He picked up the hen and ran to Jelly Bean's stalk. Fluffy Jack climbed the Jelly Bean stalk. He gave the hen to his mother. Have a golden egg, said the hen. Wow, said Fluffy Jack's mother. Thanks. The next night, Fluffy Jack climbed up the jelly bean stalk again. He went into the giant's castle. Now the giant had a golden harp. Play, pop goes the wheat. Then the giant, not again, said the harp. The giant sniffed in the air. He yelled, 3, 5, 4, Figgy. I smell the blood of a junior piggy now, and I'm going to eat him up. Fluffy Jack dove into the flower pot again. He hid until the giant saw things. The giant began to snore. Fluffy Jack hopped out of the pot. He picked up the harp, ran to the jelly bean stalk, and climbed down. Fluffy Jack gave the harp to his mother. Would you like to hear Jellybean rock? Said the harp. I love that song, said Fluffy Jack's mother. Me too, said the hen. So he liked the song. The next night, Fluffy Jack climbed up the Jellybean sock again. He pushed open the door of the castle, but this time the giant was waiting for him. Yikes, said the Fluffy Jack. Yikes is right, said the giant. I'm going to make me a Geno piggy pie. Fluffy Jack ran back to the Jellybean stuff. He slid down so fast his pants were smoking. Help! He called. The giant is after me. Get the saw and saw down the stuff, said the harp. We won't have a saw, said Fluffy Jack's mother. The giant almost down. Uh-oh, said Fluffy Jack. The giant almost down. Fluffy Jack began to chew on the Jellybean stalk. He chewed and chewed. The stalk began to wobble. But the giant was climbing quickly. One big foot was about to touch the ground. Fluffy Jack chewed faster. The giant was coming. He had to chew faster and faster and faster. Get me out of here. Wake up, Fluffy, said Emma. Ha! Well, Fluffy, look at your chew stick, said Red. You chewed it in your sleep. Chew stick, thought Fluffy. Emma picked Fluffy up. You are dreaming, he said. Phew, thought Fluffy. Then there is no Jellybean stalk. We have a surprise for you, Fluffy, said Red. Oh boy, said Fluffy. I could use a carrot right now. Red and Emma took Fluffy outside. They walked over to the class garden. Lots of things were growing. Now Fluffy saw plants with string beans and lima beans. Where is my surprise, thought Fluffy. We're gonna read this. This should be. I'm gonna read the last page. This is gonna be the last page, maybe. Fine. Emma pointed to a sunflower. It had big green leaves. It had a stalk. What do you see that off plants, Fluffy? Said Emma. It's going right where you planted the jellybean, said Red. Fluffy started at the tall plant. Right, thought Fluffy. My bean really grew, but who cares? Get me out of here. The end. Let's see our score. We did a song. Do you want to hear it again? Wait, guys. Okay, we have no time. Okay, guys, bye. A little bit of time. have no time. Bye, guys.